Hello, guys. Guess where I am on a Friday night? Let me show you. All right, so I'm at the laundromat on a Friday night. So let me tell you why. When you have a residential care home, it's in a small setting, you're going to have residential grade washers and dryers. I have 8 residents, so my washer and dryer is being used every day, sometimes all day, because people soil their clothes. They may have accidents, so you're going to be washing comforters and sheets. So in a regular size residential style washer and dryer, it's going to get wore out fast. You're going to either keep replacing your washers and dryers, or what I suggest is to go to the laundromat. You want to bag their clothes up in a dark bag, plastic bag. It needs to be dark. And so you're going to load them up, take them to the laundromat. The laundromat has bigger washers and dryers. They have 40, 60, and even 80-pound washers. So you can get more in one washer versus doing that in a residential care, regular residential washer and dryers. All right, so when we do our residents' clothes, we separate them. We do not mix our residents' clothes. If they have a small load, then we will wait, unless it's soiled, we will wait to do their laundry. Now, if it's soiled, then yes, we will still wash their clothes, but we can wash those at the facility in a smaller washer and dryer. But when we wash their comforters and their sheets, we come to the laundromat. We'll use either 40, 60, or 80-pound washers and put their clothes in there. Now, I like to use the laundromat because it is bigger. You can get more clothes in one washer, and you're actually not at the washer no more than an hour and a half at the most. So my staff is back at the facility. I'm here with another staff, and we're washing all of their clothes. And then that way we can just take them back, to the facility. They're already washed. The staff can go ahead and fold them and put them up. Now you can decide if you want to do the wash, fold, and fluff. That is done in the morning times. You can drop their resident stuff off, and let the laundromat do their washing and everything. Okay, well, they usually do that in the morning time. Well, I like to come to the laundromat at night because it's less people, it's cooler, so you actually can get it done quicker, in my opinion. Now, if you do use wash, fluff, and fold, that service at the laundromat, they're going to charge you by the pound. So when you bring in your bags of laundry, they're going to weigh them, and that's how they're going to come up with the price. Now, say if you have a twin size comforter, that's $14. All right, this is with the wash, fold, and dry. If it is a queen comforter, it's $30. That's a lot. So that's why we go ahead and do their laundry, and we like to do it at the laundromat, especially when we have those comforters and their sheets. So say, for instance, we have a 40-pound washing machine. We can just pile their stuff in the washing machine, their comforter, their sheets, and their personal items into one machine, and it gets it thoroughly cleaned. And you're not using your own residential appliances, okay? Because if you keep constantly doing that, you got 8 people that you're doing that every day or every other day or a few times a week, it's going to wear out. So my suggestion is when you are furnishing your residential care home, is for you to get commercial grade washers and dryers, okay? Commercial grade washers and dryers, not regular residential care washers and dryers, because you're going to be, I have replaced the residential style washers and dryers. I replaced them 3 times, okay, within 4 years, okay, and they were new. They just got wore out that quick. And then also another thing is your staff can tear up stuff. They can tear up your washing dryers. I'm serious. This is something that you think is basic and that is simple and self-explanatory on how to use washers and dryers, but you'd be surprised. Okay? And I do not let the residents use the washer and dryer because, again, People are not going to take care of your stuff the way that you do. That's just the reality. Okay? So we wash their clothes for them. And as a provider that's been in this industry for 20 years or more, I'm giving you real life experience and information for educational purposes only, so that it will help you to make an informed decision about how you're going to furnish your residential care home. Okay? I hope this information, guys, I hope this information has helped someone today in knowing what type of wash and dry appliances to get. Try to get commercial grade wash and dryers, okay? Which I will do that, but again, you got to be careful on who you let operate your stuff. Okay, guys? I'm just saying, take it easy. Until next time.